Josephine Albiana, our class speaker, Mrs. Nervo Para, our hardworking teachers, parents, and fellow graduates. I'm very honored to stand before all of you today. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for bringing me in this wonderful school, for giving me great teachers and a loving parents. Dad, thank you for everything. All of my achievements are not only mine, but also yours. Because without of your hard work and encouragement, I would not be standing here and speaking to all of you today. Thank you for your guidance and unconditional love, and for giving me a chance to explore my dream, for opening the doors of happiness, joy, and for always bringing a smile on my face. I'm very happy for spending my 2 years in Galilee Academy. They taught me how to write, read, color, sing, dance, and play. They built me as a child, full of dreams, and now as I enter another chapter of my life, I will bring all those dreams come true. Teacher Lana, Teacher Edna, thank you for being a second parent to us, for giving us love, care, and for being patient to all of us. Truly, we are very grateful. And now we will face another chapter of our childhood, another journey that will continue to help us grow and become a good children of God. And now I lift all our hope to God. Again, a blessed morning to all of you.
Thank you, Ace. Now let's hear from our class first honors from grade 6, her word of gratitude. Let's give Emily Rice Sarabia a big hand.
To our honorable guest speaker, Mrs. Jervin Kadungog Para, to our school principal, Mrs. Josephine Eliana, administrative staff, faculty, parents, and to my fellow graduates, good morning. Today is a day that all of us has been waiting for, and we reap the fruits of our hard labor, the reward of our success. I remember the first day that I stepped in the four walls of our classroom and see the surrounding as innocent and young. Teachers discuss in simple addition, and lessons seemed to be easy as learning ABCs. But it was certain that every time we moved up, lessons, exams, activities, and projects all became more challenging. And as we all engaged into all this, we slowly understood the value of education. The great Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." All events are significant. This is where we learn teamwork, forming a relationship with teachers and classmates, and enduring hard work. In a few minutes, diplomas will be handed to us, a sign that we will all be entering a new chapter, the high school life. It is a great opportunity for me to talk to all of you and share my thoughts. To Galilee Academy, we definitely mastered various things because of your undying guidance and undoubted excellence you provide in every student. I am proud to be a Galilean. To our previous teachers, thank you for all the cooperative effort and moral values you have imparted to us. Umasa po kayo na mananatili sa aming puso at isipan ang mga aral na aming natutunan sa inyo saan man kami mapunta. Salamat po sa oras at panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin upang maunawaan ang mga lessons sa bawat araw. To our class advisor, Teacher Cha, salamat po sa pagiging pangalawang magulang at mabuting kaibigan sa aming lahat. Mamimiss ko po ang katagang study hard tuwing may exam. To my friends and classmates, great job! Sabi nga sa ating grad song, we might be apart but I hope you always know, you'll be with me wherever I go. Mamimiss ko ang kulitan at asaran natin sa isa't isa. To my Papa Rani and Mama B, thank you for your unconditional love and support for me. Sa aking mapagmahal na lola, Nanay Nelia, salamat po sa pagpapalaki at paggabay niyo sa akin. Salamat po sa pagiging nanay at lola sa akin. Ang tagumpay na ito ay inaalay ko sa inyo ni Papa. And I promise to excel more as I move to another journey of my life. Sa aking Mommy Day, nakapiling na lang po ang may kapal. Thank you for bringing me to this wonderful world. Hindi man kita nakita at nakasama, mananatili ka sa aking puso. I know you are looking and guiding me in whatever I do. Lastly, to the one above all, God. Thank you for this talent and wisdom you have given me. Naniniwala ako hindi ko mararating ang lahat ng ito kung wala ang tulong at patnubay ng Diyos. And to my fellow graduates, always remember this famous Bible verse from the book of John. Apart from God, we can do nothing. Congratulations to all of us. Continue dreaming and believing in God. Best of luck in our future. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Emilu. At this point, to introduce our keynote speaker, may we call on our beloved school principal to do the honor of introducing